Good evening, comrades. It is I, your fearful and reclusive non-leader. There has been much ado about AI recently, with calls for all research and development to cease until the government can catch up and install quote-unquote guardrails. Much of the concern has to do with the possibility of human extinction, one last gasp before the final sunset made of zeros and ones. Though if anyone has read The Metamorphosis of Prime Intellect, a short story that deals with human behaviour after everyone has been uploaded to a digital universe and death loses all meaning, extinction might be more palatable. But some of the main worries regarding AI are how it is being implemented. For example, what happens when you take the human out of a decision-making process that has been reserved for humans, such as who gets killed and who doesn't in a military setting, as Professor Max Tegmark of MIT posits in an interview with NPR. The worrying implications don't need to be so blatant as in all-out AI war that never stops escalating. AI can also be used for systematic oppression, surveillance, massive cyber attacks. If you're big tech looking to get into making a dystopian reality, there's a whole lot of cash got to be thrown your way. So what can be done? Should we all wring our hands and say it's inevitable? As you may or may not recall, the world managed to come together to ban the use of chemical weapons. Of course they still exist and have been used, but not to the horrifying and catastrophic extent of World War I. What it will take is effort of the international community to come together and control how AI can be developed and used. Just as the Industrial Revolution had massive economical and geopolitical effects, we did and continue to try to mitigate them. The same must be done for the so-called AI revolution. Of course, if they start using AI to inform my TikTok feed, the future might look more like idiocracy. Which is worse, mass extinction or giving plants the electrolytes they need?